Hello everybody, so today I want to quickly show you how to select the whole object in the different components such as polygons, edges and points. It's very straightforward. The option that I have here is I'm going to go for my polygons. I can select of course the individual polygons. I can hit shift to select many of them, but if I want to select all the polygons in this tube, all I have to do is select a polygon and double click. That's it. Another way to do it is to hold down the H key, single click, and that will also do it. If you're using a tablet, sometimes the H click is a little bit easier, but it doesn't really matter. You can also double click, right? Points, same deal. So I go to the points, I select a point, I double click, there we go, all selected, the same H click. Oh, there we go, same thing. Now what about though if I want edges? This is a little bit different. Now I want to double click on the edge and I just get the loop. Okay, this way, again, just getting a loop. It's not really what I want, and I don't really want to have the pain of double clicking all the way up these. Solution, very simple. You must hold the H key and select. So remember with the edges, the H hotkey and the single click is your only option. You can't double click on this one. And that's it. So any questions, please leave them below, and you guys have a great day.